Alright guys, so today's video, we're gonna be cleaning up Animal Company's lobbies until we have a full shredder. So what do you gotta grab there? We got a shredder here. Okay, now we go into running codes. We can run any code like modded codes, all that. So first we're gonna start off with normal codes and then modded codes, and yeah. So see how far we get in normal code.
I have all three of those. Oh, nice.
What is mod, guys? But I just told that, so no mod.
What's not a mod?
With
Have
the
you ever
mod.
heard of the glitch? Like, dang. What's up? Dang.
Holy moly, man!
Well, I'm a modder.
My metadata is like broken. I don't know why.
How's your mine?
I don't know
Which
why
bet
mine
this is for a gun game?
Do you use that modding?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's just
Mine
not.
is.
Oh no, it is not empty.
Wait, can we get a code? Can we get a code?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Let's go to a different code, cause that's not really working. Bro,
Be able to join.
Okay, join me.
this is not really modded lobby.
Hey, join me now.
Look at this.
So like
Oh wait, join.
Look at this, huh?
that one.
Oh, I'm on pro mode.
And we're done. Full. Done like that. Want to throw that in there? Like this.
Mine.
What's this tiny hard?
And we're just gonna go and find a modded. No, I could, but is there? I was gonna say there's no one anywhere. So let's go to a modded code now. Alright, now that we're in a mod, now we're joining a modded code. Go load.
Yo, money.
Wait, you can't
Wait. Can you spawn more white? I'm not the modder. Green turtle.
Who spawned it then? Who did spawn these?
Oh, green turtle. Green turtle.
All green turtles can
Okay, so we got one from a normal lobby and a modded lobby. So, yeah. And that's all I got. Peace out. And also, if y'all want to play, join Q or Y. And that's all I gotta say. Boom, boom, clap.